This is the plant that is medicinal plant. It is a flower, and mainly the bud is used because all the outer petals they are removed, and it is called artichoke. And this artichoke in India they call it hathi jet, something like that. And it is very much used in Europe and America to treat the liver which are under pressure or which are having some inflammation. Anyway, while they are even diseased, so widely it is used, and it is having lot of importance nowadays, especially the extract, as well as in the form of crystalline capsule it is used. So what they are doing in Europe and America, either they use it as a salad, or they will remove this some outer petal and the bud. They will steam it, they will cut it, they will boil it, and they will use it. This is artichoke in the form of capsule. Is available in the market on Amazon online marketing, and it can be available in any part of the world. If you go and order, you will get. Of course, this product is not very much common in Asia and Africa. It is also available in the name of cynaron or cynarin. And that cynarin is a antioxidant compound, the active ingredient of artichoke, which is available in the market, and one can order on Amazon. This is steamed artichoke, and that is ready to use it, to eat it as a nutrient as well as a medicine to treat the symptoms of damaged liver.